Want to turn off the green light on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it. The green light means your camera is being used. First, swipe down from the top right. Open Control Center. At the top, you'll see which app is using your camera. If you don't need that app, close it. Swipe up from the bottom. Close the app from the app switcher. Next, check camera permissions. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Camera. You'll see all apps with camera access. Turn off access for any app you don't trust. This stops the green light from appearing again. If the issue continues, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up. Slide to power off. Turn it back on. Also remember, the camera app will always trigger the green light. That cannot be turned off. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.